The coronavirus threat once again growing. Now new mask requirements in one of our biggest cities, and health experts at Harvard say the heart of our community is now at a tipping point and needs to shut down again or risk losing control of this outbreak. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm John Paul.
And I'm Genevieve Curtis. Nearly 5 months into our coronavirus response, but today it almost feels like we're back to the beginning. Right now, we're once again seeing restaurants temporarily closed, parents uncertain about the future of their children's schooling, and now another round of restrictions with more places creating mask requirements. And that includes Rock Hill, where just hours ago the city passed a new mask requirement. Yeah,
South Carolina Bureau reporter Greg Suskin was at the meeting, joins us now live. And Greg, coronavirus survivors spoke to the council telling them this is needed.
Yeah, they did, and this was certainly one of the most divisive issues to come before Rock Hill City Council in some time. They heard from some people saying COVID-19 was all just media hype, and others saying by making these required, they're saving lives. The Rock Hill City Council struggled with the idea of mandating masks.
There's very confusing messages out there, and this really doesn't do a whole lot to clear it up.
Especially when the conversation turned to businesses and what do they do if someone walks in without a mask? Could they face penalties?
These are people's businesses who have already been shut down. They need to know when we leave this room today, can they operate or not?
Businesses will not be held responsible, but there are things they can do. According to the mask mandate, masks must be worn in all retail and service businesses. Businesses are not required to enforce it for customers, but employees. They may refuse service if someone's not wearing a mask, and there's a fine of $25 after a warning. Exceptions include religious beliefs, medical conditions, and children under 10. I met Ernest Rodriguez 2 months ago. He nearly died from COVID-19 and showed up today to push for a mandatory mask law.
I'm a survivor of this COVID-19. I spent 16 days on a ventilator. If people were wearing their masks, none of this would have happened to me.
But others called the coronavirus media hype and urged the council not to force this on the public.
I just think that we're being played. You only need to do a little bit of research to realize that the media and political agendas are taking us for a ride.
5 of the 7 members of council voted in favor of the emergency ordinance. And because this is an emergency ordinance, it will stay in effect for 60 days, but council can come back before then, take another look at this and vote to rescind it if they want to. Genevieve?
Yeah, and Greg, you mentioned this being confusing for some. Can you give us an example of that?
Yeah, there are several examples, but one is definitely gyms. Do you have to wear a mask when you go to a gym to work out? And it's my understanding after listening to this conversation, you have to wear a mask when you walk in, between sets if you exercise, and if you're watching someone else waiting for a machine, then you can take the mask off when you start exercising. But that begs another question is, will gyms monitor this? Because again, this is not up to the businesses to enforce, but the city. Back to you.
Yeah, still a lot to sort out there. Greg Suskin reporting. And I know tomorrow you're going to be monitoring developments out of York, where town commissioners will be discussing a mask mandate there. We'll look for your report tomorrow, Greg.